Good morning, students. Today we will add complex numbers. We will subtract complex numbers, multiply, and at the end, find the conjugate. When we add complex numbers, we're adding real numbers with imaginary numbers. When we get the I, we treat the I as we have treated the x value or the a value or any other variable. 1 minus 3, negative 2. 7i minus 4i's, 3i's. And nice and easy, this is the answer. The only concern when we subtract is that we need to distribute both terms by the negative. So for me, it is better to distribute the negative before I do the sum. Negative 4 minus I. Now combine like terms, negative 5 minus 4, negative 9, plus 5i's minus 1, 4i's. Okay. Now, how about when we multiply complex numbers? Okay. I'm gonna take it to number 7. Okay. I will distribute negative 16, distribute the 8 and 5i's plus 40i's. 7i times negative 2, negative 14i's plus 35i squares. Note that I squared equals to negative 1. So this will be a substitution here, okay? So I will start to combine negative 16 minus 35. That's negative 51 plus 40i's minus 14, 26i's. I will be double checking negative 16, 40i's, negative 14i's, 35 I squares. The I square is negative 1, so it becomes negative 35 minus 16, negative 51. Now the i's, 40 minus 14, that's 26. Okay, great. Now, the last step is to find the conjugate. The last step is to find the conjugate. How do we find the conjugate? The way we canceled the square root previously on denominator, that's the way that we do it also with complex numbers. We need to multiply by 1, but that 1 has to be in the form of 6 minus 8i. 6 minus 8i on both of them. 6 minus 8i over 6 minus 8i is the 1. Why do I multiply by 1? Because I don't want to change the value. Now I get to distribute the numerator and the denominator. The intention of the conjugate is to get rid of the I on denominator, and the middle amounts will get canceled. Negative 60 distribute 80 i's, distribute negative 42 i's, distribute positive 56 I squared, all over 6 times 6, 36. 6 times negative 8i, negative 48 i's, plus 48 i's, minus 64 I squared. Keep in mind that once again, I squared is equals to negative 1. So we will write I squared as negative 1. Okay, so here substitution negative 1, negative 1. Okay, I will do it mentally. So I will get my real numbers first. Negative 56 minus 60, that's negative 116, plus 80 minus 42, that's 38 i's, all over 48 cancel here in the middle, which is the intention of having the conjugate. So 36 plus 64, negative 1 times negative 64, that's 64 positive, plus 36, 100. This could be the answer, but they're asking us here in the instructions to leave it as a plus bi. So I will separate the 100. 100 divides both of them, negative 116 over 100, plus 38 i's. Now the I is in the numerator, over 100. Reduce, I can reduce by 4, so I get 5829, negative 29 over 25. I reduced by 4, plus this one has a 2 divisor, 19 and 50. Thank you guys for listening.